SPM coordinator. Hindi na siya pwede i-delegate sa mga teachers. Okay, meron tayong SGC, that is Functional School Governance Council, and that is good. Okay, kaya nga pinagigihan natin yung validation needs assessment. Okay, gamit pa rin yung self-assessment checklist. Yung SIP natin. So, whatever is the result of the self-assessment, yun ang gagawaan ng plano, self-management to become self-improving. Okay, on the dimension, 6 dimensions of, alright, key result areas of, okay, nasabi ko na ito kanina, yan yung KRA ninyo. Kaya walang choice kundi talagang pag-igihan. Resource allocation. Siyempre, alam na natin ito. Okay, and monitoring and evaluation. As much as possible, we do it quarterly para na-monitor talaga natin. And community engagement. Napakahalaga with your and capacity building. Of course, sa school level kasi na re-recognize natin kulang din yung kamerahan natin. Kaya ngayong last session po, for example, if you are given this PowerPoint presentation, you can make use of this already in your last session, no? It doesn't have to be so expensive. Yung i-reproduce ulit ni Sir Don yung ELLM materials. Napakaganda nun. Ginagamit ko nga yun sa mga college students ko Alright. May mga ganda. Each school's context may vary, So, flexibility and adaptability are essential. Walang judgment dito. Pag may judgmental, huwag pakinggan. Okay. So, how do we sustain the effective practices through TA mechanisms? Alright. Yung pagbibigay. Effective practices or for sustainability of the best practices that you have in your school. Yun ang pinaka-mahalaga. Sana matuloy-tuloy. At natutuwa ko kanina, sino may nagsabi? Si Sir Don. Yung sustainability. I'm sure na kapag nalipat si ma'am sa school ni Sir, ay ipagpapatuloy niya kung ano yung nasimulan ni Sir. I-enhance pa niya. Okay. Dapat ganun. Kasi may respeto tayo sa bawat isa, Sa kung ano yung, hindi yung lumipat ka sa isang paaralan, lahat ng project, naging acronym ng pangalan mo na. Nabura na si former colleague. Okay, marami tayong alam na gano'n. And it's sad. Whatever happens to the word sustainability. Huwag na tayong gumaya sa mga politiko, sa ating gobyerno. Okay? Alright, information and insights. So when we go providing technical assistance, in your lens, siyempre, ang binibigyan nyo ng technical assistance yung inyong mga teachers. Napakahalaga po nun. To spark, sabi ko nga, to spark motivation and inspiration. Okay, so future. So going back to this, okay, ang implication for this one is to sustain the best practices that we have started and strive for continuous improvement. Okay, sabi na lang to, 20 slides. Okay, in the future, siguro, mas increase autonomy and decentralization, increase integration of technology. Kaya, pag nagbigay tayo ng technical assistance din sa mga teachers natin, baka nagpapakopya sila sa PowerPoint presentation. Picture nyo na lang kami. Okay, what else? Okay, focus on leadership and professional development. Ginagawa na rin natin ngayon yan, Okay. Milyon-milyon nga yung nilalaan natin sa, professional leadership and professional development. Community and stakeholder engagement. Of course, emphasis on equity and inclusion. And of course, global competence. That is the goal of future SBM. Alam niyo sa region ngayon, ang ating regional director, Dr. Ronnie Malyari, is focused on automation. No? Automation. So, well, that's SBM, no? Okay, making things better. Alright. O, siyempre, alam naman natin. Ito, pasalanan natin, ano? O, basahin na lang ninyo. Capacity building. What else? Improve decision making. Basahin. Okay, sa TA. Sustainability. Okay. Pinipicture, basahin na lang mamaya. Ibigay ko kay Sir Don. Sir Don, ibigay mo sa kanila ha. Para gagamitin nila. And monitoring and evaluation. Meron pa ba? Okay. Sa technical, sabi ko na sa inyo, we need to provide motivation and inspiration to our people. Because sharing is caring. Bakit kaya nag-conduct si Sir Don ng ganitong activity? Siyempre, para magkita-kita naman kayo. Kasi rarely you see one another, di ba? O kaya, pwede ba? Anong oras ngayon? O, sabihin sa katabi, uy, ang ganda-ganda mo, ang gwapo-gwapo mo sila. O, natutuwa ba kayo na nakita yung mga kasama ngayon? Okay. Ganun lang. Alam niyo, implicit yung technical assistance sa inyo eh. Kasi nagkita lang kayo, natutuwa na kayo. No? And, ayan, self-assessment should be respected. Alright. Evidence-based practice naman yan. Okay. Helping the weak make you strong. Yung mga teachers natin, di pare-parehas yan. Meron mga galing, meron din, siyempre nagpapasakit din sa ulo ninyo, di ba? Oo, may mga ganun. Pero, sabi nga, you cannot control the people's actions, but you can control how you act towards that action. So, ayan. Basahin nyo nga po. Basahin na lang yung title. Create a community of practice. Sa school natin, yung last session, that is already professional learning community. Ang iyong na-perform. Okay. Encourage professional development. Provide monitoring and evaluation. Kumustahin natin, tatrack natin yung mga numbers na binibigay ng mga teachers natin. Initiate effective communication. O sige, bumalik tayo doon sa number 1. Sabihin nyo lang sa akin kung yes or no. Ay, hindi. Highly manifested, rarely manifested, or not yet manifested. Ha? O, sige. Oh, create the community. Are you creating a community of practice? Manifested. Parang kuto ba sila, no? Oh, sige. Highly or rarely? Highly. Encourage professional development? Highly. Highly what? Manifested. Pituwin nyo. Provide close monitoring and evaluation? Highly. Yung mga hindi gumagalaw yan, ha? Natatakot ako yan. Initiate effective communication? Highly. Leverage technology? Oh, very good. Siguro hindi naman highly. Kasi technology. O, focus areas for assistance. Ha? Meron ba kayo, nilista ba ninyo? May listahan ba kayo ng ano? Mga bottlenecks, knobs, issues, and concerns of your teachers. O, sige. Very good. Very good. Okay. O, alam na ninyo to. O, be in the classroom. Okay? Make sure feedback is timely. Kapag ano, ikaw ay nagbibigay ng ano. Ayan. Para may motivation, learning and development. Okay? Enhance communication. Number 3, adjust support based on teachers' needs. Okay. Tingnan natin mga teachers natin kasi para din sila mga bata. Alam niyo, we all have our child in us. Katulad kanina, nagpumila din kayo sa pagkain, ang gulo-gulo din ninyo, di ba? Tapos alam mo yung bata na ang daming dala-dala. Kaya ano mo anong gagawin? Meron din collaboration na nangyari. Hawakan ko mo rito, sabi ng isa. Yung maganda rin. Keep learning and researching. Recognize the importance of reflection for teacher evaluation. Nasusunod ba yung mga teachers natin?
Yes. Yes.
Ay naku, sa graduate school, yung mga teachers, pagsulat mo ng essay, isang 5 sentence na. Sabi ko na napagod na yan itong mga teachers na ito. Promote and leverage peer coaching. O, di ba? Kanina, sabi ng isa ako, akin na muna yan para may labang ngayon. Ganda. Collaboration. Encourage a growth mindset. So, yung mga teachers natin, kayo din yung model nila eh. When we provide inspiration and motivation, they will not forget you maski na saan ka pa magpunta na mga schools. Sinusundan ka nila, lalo kapag may birthday mo, susundan ka nila. Alright, so ito lang yung mga questions kapag